y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings from beauty, lifestyle, to home decor and snacks and makeup hauls, all kinds of fun stuff here. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscription button or subscribe button. I'm thinking of subscriptions. That subscribe button if you enjoy subscription box unboxings. So today I have a new subscription, but it's only going to be a one-time thing. So for those of you that don't know, I have decided to kind of cut back a little bit on how many subscriptions I am unboxing because I was unboxing quite a few. And one of the subscriptions that I decided to kind of let go of it, was FaceTory. And not because I don't enjoy the subscription. I really do enjoy FaceTory as a subscription. I just am on sheet mask overload between getting that subscription every month and then getting sheet mask in other subscriptions. But what I wanted to do before I completely said goodbye to FaceTory was try their 7 Lux plan, because I was getting the Forever Fresh that was a subscription of 4 sheet masks every month for $8.90. Now the 7 Lux, I believe, is 19 and change, and you get 7 sheet masks, and they're a little bit more luxurious, I guess. 7 Lux. So I decided I would end my love affair with FaceTory with the 7 Lux. So we're gonna see what we got in here. This is, I believe, the December box. So let's cut it open and see what we got. It says, just keep glowing. Let's get cozy. Happy December. It's time to focus on calming and resetting your skin. This month's 7 Lux contains gentle and moisturizing sheet mask to help your skin feel pampered and loved. We also threw in some of our favorite bonus goodies for you to try. Grab a cozy blanket, light a candle, play some music, and sheet mask away. Even though it's not December, still sounds like a plan to me. All right, so this goes over all of the different masks that we have, and then bonus gifts. So it looks like we actually have a total of 10. So that's very nice. So we will just kind of start. I'll find it on here and we will go over it. So the first one here on top, it says cold press avocado nourishing scalp mask with banana. Let's see. This nourishing scalp pack strengthens and moisturizes the scalp without adding extra weight to your locks. After shampooing, apply a generous amount to clean wet scalp and hair. Gently massage. It says leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. No need to use conditioner. Gentle enough to use daily. And this is $4. So it's a scalp pack, but it's basically a hair mask essentially. I'm excited to try that. I'm all about a hair mask. Avocado and banana. Okay. And that was one of the bonus gifts. It looks like the bonus gifts are actually what are on top, because this next one is Mugwort Rescue Soothing Pads, and there are 10 of them in here. Hydrating and skin calming pads that purify, brighten, tone, and hydrate skin. This is $6. And then this is just, after using it, says gently wipe pads across the face and neck and proceed with the rest of your skincare routine. It says this one is an absolute must try. These pads add moisture to our skin after we cleanse. No more of that dry, tight feeling. We also notice our complexion is even brighter after using these pads. So I like that there's 10 of them in here, so you definitely do get to try them out. You don't, what I mean? Like, and then the next, it looks like we actually got 2 of, and this is Snail Hydrogel Eye Patch. I don't know that I've ever seen snail eye patches. I mean, I've seen the face mask, but not eye patches. A hydrogel eye mask that gives the delicate area around the eyes extra tender love and care. Morning or night, we love how nourishing this eye mask is. It helps hydrate and smooth out the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also gives a nice cooling sensation when it's applied. So relaxing. And these are $3.60 a piece. So, all right. Then we have Noni Enriched Nourishing Mask. Nourish your skin with this great sheet mask that is both refreshing and moisturizing. This mask contains Morinda citrifolia fruit extract and makes our skin feel soft and moisturized. It feels super soothing and cooling when applied, and we absolutely love the glow it provides. And this is $3.50, and it says, don't be alarmed if the description on the package says whitening. That simply translates to brightening, and it does. It says lifting and whitening. That's funny. All right, and then we have the Better Skin Premium Antioxidant Biocellulose Sheet Mask. Relax and take a break with this sheet mask infused with cleansing and hydrating ingredients to help renew skin. Biocellulose masks always feel like a spa treatment at home, and this is no exception. This mask feels luxurious on our faces and leaves us with a dewy glow. The sheet mask has protective films, so you're going to want to, so it's telling us how to remove them and end up putting it on. And this is $9 just for the sheet mask, $9. It's got volcanic ash. Decided to try that one. All right, and then we have from Cosmety T5 Nourishing Tea Ampule Mask, a sheet mask that provides rich nourishment to the skin. The serum is gel-like but absorbs like water. It feels super hydrating and calming, and our skin feels so renewed after using this mask. The sheet mask has a protective film, so it's going over again how to use that. The key ingredient, it says, is black tea extract. This ingredient helps provide an antioxidant boost to help reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. This is $3.50. And then we have from Plas Cosmetics, Dermtastic Bright Fix Mask, a brightening mask that leaves the skin feeling and looking healthier. We love that it has a light creamy essence that isn't super sticky. Our skin feels smoother and looks super radiant the next morning. The ingredient brightens, pearl extract, brightens the skin, adds radiance, and can help protect the skin from free radical stress. And this is $3. And then, what are you? Deep Focus Petite Match Pack. Wait. Patch Mask Dark Spot Solution. This two-step sheet mask packs a punch. It contains a pair of dissolvable eye patches and a sheet mask to give your skin the ultimate pamper treatment. What? So here on the package, step 1, it shows like the shape of like the eye mask, and it says dark spot petite patch. And then for the sheet mask, it says natural shrink sheet. This is interesting. Let's read about it. This mask certainly surprised us with its unique melting eye patches. After applying the mask over the patches, we noticed that the patches dissolved completely and we were left with a smooth and glowing complexion. It actually sounds really fun and unique. After cleansing and applying toner, take out step 1, the eye patches, and carefully apply them on the area under your eyes. These patches are infused with glutathione, I don't know, to brighten and protect your skin. Then you put on the sheet mask carefully over the eye patches, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, gently remove the mask and pat in remaining essence. This mask contains sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a vitamin C derivative that neutralizes free radicals, preventing fine lines and wrinkles. I am so intrigued by these dissolving eye masks. This is $5. Like that is so, I don't know. MediHeal HDP Photo Ready Titan Charcoal Mask, a skin clarifying sheet mask that uses a high definition perfection solution to even out and brighten the complexion. This sheet mask minimizes pores and clarifies our skin. The material of the mask is so super soft as it is made of finely ground pure charcoal that's layered over a soft bamboo sheet. And this is $10. I'm sorry, $2. And then our final mask, so we have 10. So we got the 7, but then we got 3 bonus, so 10 total. Is also a 2-step. Step-by-step tone-up mask, a 2-step mask that removes dead skin cells, smooths skin texture, and hydrates the skin for a brighter complexion. We love using the 2-step mask when our skin is feeling congested and dull. It helps clean out our pores, tone our skin, and moisturize. So step 1 is a peeling pad. Swiping from the middle of your face and outwards, use the microfiber side to gently remove dead skin cells, then reverse the pad to the smoother side to smooth out the skin. The pad is infused with Rosa Damascenia flower water to moisturize and tone the skin. I probably said that completely wrong. And then you put on the mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, gently pat in remaining essence. This mask is infused with Monarda didyma leaf extract, an anti-inflammatory ingredient that brightens the skin and calms irritation. I know I butchered that as well. So I think this is such a great variety of masks, and I'm telling you that one with the like dissolving under eye mask, that is very intriguing to me. The snail under eye mask, I love that we got the 10-pack of the pad things. The mugwort rescue soothing pads. We got the hair mask. I think this was awesome. This is such a great variety. And I think it is a great way to kind of end my relationship with FaceTory. Again, I love FaceTory. It's just, I am overloaded on sheet mask, and that was one of the few that I decided to cut out for 2020. So it may return at some point, but for now, this is my farewell to FaceTory. And again, I think this went out on a bang. So let me know what you think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you get FaceTory, if you get the Forever Fresh, or do you get the 7 Luxe? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.